bud, look around for that coffee your mom sent. I know she sent it with us.
Come on, Dad. Just forget about the coffee and let's go fishing.
Just like always, the coffee's in the back seat, because I never let my guys go on a family fishing day without having everything they need. I want them to have fun, but most important, I want them to be safe. That's why over the years, we've always trusted Wesco trailers to get my guys back and forth to their fishing spots safely. We know that with our boat riding on a Wesco trailer, our fishing memories are going to be all about who caught the big one and not who's going to come help, because we're stuck on the side of the road with a broken trailer.
Boating is about time spent on the water with your family. The time that you spend with them is one of those memories that your kids will never forget. We don't want that memory of you driving back and forth to your fishing spot and, oh, we spent the morning on the side of the road having to fix our trailer because we had a trailer problem. Going back to the history and having reliable transportation, safe transportation, that's one of the fundamentals of this business, and one of the things that we reiterate to our employees every day. Getting back and forth safely is more important than anything, and that's what our guys' responsibility is in making sure that we hit all those marks, and that every time we sell a Wesco trailer, we know we're going to get there and back and it's going to be safe.
Hey, Jeremy here with Wesco Trailers. Wesco has been manufacturing boat trailers for the marine industry for over 60 years. Our mission statement about boating, fishing memories, and trailer safety is fundamental to what we do here on a daily basis. Many of our folks here at the factory spend their weekends and vacations outdoors and on the water. We all know that a trailer problem is not the memory you want to bring home after a weekend outing with the family. I'd like to take a few moments to show you some of the processes we use here at Wesco. When you're pulling a boat that's sitting on a Wesco trailer, you can be sure that every possible step has been taken to make sure you get back and forth to your favorite fishing or boating spot safely. Safety is job number one here at Wesco, and here are some of the manufacturing processes we use to build the safest trailer you can buy. First, I'd like to start with the aluminum series. All aluminum trailers are built with aluminum I-beams and tubing aluminum cross members. Each aluminum I-beam is pulled according to the spec sheet, bent according to the spec sheet, and sent down to the aluminum framing area. All cross members are cut, bent, welded, or fabricated prior to being sent to the framing area. At this point, all aluminum I-beam frames are laid out and the cross members are attached individually using stainless steel fasteners. After each trailer frame has been framed up, we move individual units to stations in our aluminum area. The trailer frame starts off upside down so that we can put the undercarriage on, axles, steps, and anything that belongs on the bottom side of the trailer. At this point, we flip the trailer over.
We flip the trailer by hand. That's the hard part. It's a lot of hard manual labor in here though. Because you got to have at least 8 guys to help flip the trailer, to try to stop back injuries and stuff like that. So we all get together and we flip it one side at a time, then we flip back up, then we put the wood on and everything on the right side up.
Once we flip the unit over, it's time to start wiring and putting on the bunk assemblies. Each bunk assembly is built and put on the trailer according to the boat that it's being built for. The customer at this point has options as to what type of material they want to use. Cypress boards, stainless hardware, aluminum brackets are some of the highest quality features that are available to each customer. Every unit that Wesco Trailer builds is built boat specific. We strive on perfect fit 100% of the time.
Fit sheets are what we use, again, to understand the geometry of the bottom of the boat. And every boat, although there's some commonality to boats, every boat is going to be a little bit different. So whether it's working directly with the boat manufacturer, and sometimes we do get access to their data, sometimes it's a matter of we just get access to their boats and we have to measure the boats, or sometimes we just actually go to each distributor, each dealer individually and go measure up boats. There's a variety of different ways that we get that data, and we have a collection of all the different boat and hull configurations and what trailer best fits that application. It is our book of knowledge, let's call it. It's of a range of boats. We've been doing this for many years. So one of the things that we know is that what's the important parts of the boat to measure? How do we center it onto the trailer? How do we get the right center of gravity, and where would that center of gravity fit over the axles so it fits the triple? That's the kind of knowledge that's resident within our organization, and that's what I think, again, makes our trailer special.
Wesco has put all these processes in place to ensure that when the dealer orders, they get the product that they order, the way they order it, and get it the same way every time. This starts from the ground up, from ordering the product, to getting the product in, to building the product, to scheduling the product for delivery. Front to back, all these processes are put in place to ensure that the dealer gets exactly what they want.
Once we get the measurements and once we get the fit sheet, we usually can put that in. I mean, we've got 2 specialists on the floor, one on galvanized, one on aluminum, and they can pretty much figure out exactly what's going on. They've probably already built a boat like that, or a trailer for a boat like that, but 9 times out of 10, we just want to make sure and get it right. So that way we're not having to go back and do it over, or not having to do. What we want, the outcome is to have our dealers with the least amount of adjustments and things of that nature, so they're not having to tinker around with the trailer. They can go sell another boat.
Having high quality labor force and high quality material, combining those together, Wesco ensures that they're bringing the best quality trailer to the market.
Come on, Dad. Just forget about the coffee and let's go fishing.